Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Store keeps crashing or stopping. Let's get right into it. First of all, open Settings on your device. Now, from here, open App List. When you open it, simply search for Play Store. Click on it to open. Now, search the storage and cache. Click on it to open. Now, clear both storage and cache. After this, check Play Store. If it is no fix, then again, open Play Store. This time, click on 3 lines at the top right corner. Click on Uninstall Updates. Hopefully this fixes your issue. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.